Today I'm going to be talking about the electromagnetic spectrum. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? It is the entire range of wavelengths or frequencies of electromagnetic radiation extending from gamma rays to the longest radio waves and including visible light. From longest wavelength to shortest, the order goes radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray, lower wavelengths being on the right side and shorter wavelengths being on the left side. First, we're going to start with radio waves, which is an electromagnetic wave that has the longest wavelength and is used for long-distance communication. One example would be the antenna, which one would be the transmitter and the other would be a receiver. Next are the microwaves, which is an electromagnetic wave with a wavelength shorter than that of a normal radio wave, but longer than those of infrared radiation. Microwaves are used in radar, in communication, and for heating in microwave ovens. Microwaves are used in cell phones, microwaves, Wi-Fi, and they are also used in radar, which is used by ships, aircraft, and weather forecasters. Next are infrared waves, which is a wavelength just greater than that of the red end of the visible light spectrum, but less than that of microwaves. Infrared radiation is emitted particularly by heated objects. One of the most common uses of infrared radiation is in heat-sensitive thermal imaging cameras, but more often they are used in night vision cameras and remote controls. Now it's visible light waves, which is the visible spectrum in the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye, so it's practically everything that we can see. The sun is a natural source for visible light waves, and our eyes see the reflection of the sunlight of the objects around us. The light bulbs are another example of this. Ultraviolet waves. Though these waves are invisible to the human eye, some insects like bumblebees can see them. It is ultraviolet waves that are responsible for causing sunburns. UV radiation is widely used in industrial processes and in medical and dental practices for a variety of purposes such as killing bacteria and more. X-ray waves. They are a very energetic form of electromagnetic radiation that can be used to take images of the human body. These occupy the same region as gamma rays. X-rays are used for checking broken bones, but they can also be used for chest X-rays, mammograms, and they have to take special instructions in order to use them. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelength and the most energy of any wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. They are produced by the hottest and most energetic objects in the universe. They are generated by radioactive atoms and in nuclear explosions, which can kill living cells and medicine uses to its advantage. They can travel across vast distances in the universe. Thank you.